Hello, so welcome to my channel. So in this series I will start Python programming language. So in this video I will cover all basic of Python. So first we have page on python.org. Here we can have different option like download. So latest version of Python is 3.8 and documentation, communities, stories. So if you want to download, go here and download latest version 3.8. So next we will cover our first video lecture, that is basic Python syntax. So in this series I will cover all topic in Jupyter notebook. So at the end of lecture I will um, provide you link of our Jupyter notebook, so you can also practice that Jupyter notebook from description. So a tour of Python programming language. So Python is originally developed by teaching language. It is very simple, so you can learn by own, but I will explain you what is different types and different methods in Python in Jupyter, so you will learn from me and you can also practice after downloading that Jupyter notebook. So it is simple: defining variable midpoint equal to 5, like lower list, empty list, and for loop for I in range to 1 to 10, like lower. So if I will run, so first it will be allocate running connecting here. So wait for some time. So at the time this is comment. If you want to comment anything, you can use hash, so it will like hash. So first I have covered lower 1 2 3 4 because midpoint is 5, so less than 5 in lower list and less greater than 5 in upper list. So comment are marked as hash. So here we'll use like yes equal to 2 and different end of line midpoint, different expression, like if you want to run yes, and semicolon can be used for one line statement. For loop I in range is 0 to 9 and is except 10. So this is like C code and this is in Python. If you want to 0 to 199, sorry 99, and in for loop 0 to 99. Here is if condition. So you can also use white spaces, it will not affect your code. And second is parenthesis, and if you want to print any statement you can print like this second value. Here I have list, then I sort that list, then print. So basically in this lecture I will covering only what is Python, what is different syntax of Python, and how you will go through this. So this is first video, so I am covering only overview of Python. So first you download Python from here, and also you can use Colab for running your Jupyter notebook, and also you can download a Jupyter in your local computer. Then I will provide you all a Jupyter notebook from my code, so you can practice of that. So this video only I am covering basic of Python. So from next video I will start different things which you learn, and you will expert in Python. So thank you for this video. I hope you like this video, and also comment if you want, if you have any idea how can I improve this video lectures. So in summary, the basic motive of this video is to teach you overview of Python and how we will cover Python programming in this video lecture series. So this video, that's it. Thank you for watching.